Welcome back to Frugal American. We're so glad you're here. Today we'll explore 15 cheap, high-protein hamburger meals. That's right, forget those pricey cuts of meat. We're elevating the humble hamburger mince into restaurant-quality dishes that won't break the bank. Over the next few minutes, I'll be your guide, sharing my tried and tested recipes, tips, and techniques to help you create meals that are bursting with flavor and will have your family coming back for more. So grab your aprons, sharpen your knives, and let's get started. First up, we're tackling the king of comfort food, the cheeseburger. But don't think for a minute we're settling for dry, bland patties here. We're going for juicy, flavorful perfection. The secret? A hot sear on a screaming hot pan, seasoned generously with salt and pepper. Don't overwork the meat, just a light touch to form the patties. And remember, a little dimple in the center prevents them from puffing up like a football. Once cooked to a beautiful medium rare, slap that patty on a toasted bun, add your favorite cheese and let it melt into gooey goodness. Now that's a cheeseburger done right. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 4 slices of cheese, 4 hamburger buns, lettuce, tomato, pickles, ketchup, mustard. Next, we're transforming humble mince into a family favorite, a hearty hamburger casserole. This is all about layering flavors and textures. Start by browning the mince with onions and garlic, building that delicious base. Then, it's all about layering. A splash of tomato sauce, a sprinkle of herbs, a layer of cooked pasta, and a generous blanket of cheese. Pop it in the oven until bubbly and golden brown. This casserole is pure comfort food, perfect for a chilly evening or a crowd-pleasing dinner. Who doesn't love a good taco night? Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1 packet of taco seasoning, 8 taco shells, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, sour cream, and salsa. The aroma alone will have everyone lining up for a taste. Pile that deliciousness onto warm tortillas, top with your favorite salsa, sour cream, and a sprinkle of cheese. Taco night just got a whole lot tastier. Now, let's talk about a classic, shepherd's pie. This dish is all about comfort and flavor, and our hamburger filling takes it to the next level. Brown the mince with onions, carrots, and celery for a depth of flavor. A splash of Worcestershire sauce and beef broth adds richness and depth. Top it all off with a generous layer of creamy mashed potatoes, ensuring they are perfectly smooth and seasoned to perfection. Bake until golden brown and bubbly. It's a symphony of flavors and textures in every bite. Meatballs. These little bundles of flavor are incredibly versatile. Serve them with pasta, in subs, or even as appetizers. The key is a light touch when mixing the ingredients. We're talking breadcrumbs, grated onion, an egg to bind it all together, and of course our star ingredient, the hamburger. Once browned, simmer them in your favorite sauce. A rich tomato sauce, a creamy mushroom sauce, or even a sweet and sour glaze. The possibilities are endless. Stuffed peppers are a feast for the eyes and the stomach. And with our flavorful hamburger filling, they're anything but boring. We're talking about colorful bell peppers, halved and deseeded, ready to be filled with a mixture of cooked hamburger, rice, diced vegetables, and a blend of herbs and spices. Nestle them in a baking dish, add a splash of broth or tomato sauce, and bake until the peppers are tender and the filling is bubbling hot. On a chilly evening, nothing beats a warming bowl of soup. And our hamburger soup is packed with flavor and nourishment. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef with 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped carrots, and 1 cup of chopped celery. Then, it's all about building layers of flavor with 1 cup of beef broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and a medley of your favorite vegetables, like 1 cup of frozen peas. A dash of Worcestershire sauce adds depth, while a sprinkle of fresh herbs at the end brightens it all up. It's a hug in a bowl. Get ready for a messy, delicious classic, Sloppy Joes. This is comfort food at its finest, and our recipe is guaranteed to have everyone licking their fingers. Brown the hamburger with onions and garlic, then it's all about that signature tangy sauce. We're talking ketchup, mustard, brown sugar, and a touch of vinegar for that perfect balance of sweet, smoky, and tangy. Pile that saucy goodness onto toasted buns and get ready for a flavor explosion. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1 can of Sloppy Joe sauce, 4 hamburger buns, 1/2 cup chopped onions, 1/2 cup chopped bell peppers. Short on time? Our hamburger stir-fry is the answer. This dish is all about speed and flavor, and it's on the table in under 30 minutes. Start by stir-frying a bag of frozen stir-fry vegetables, whatever you have on hand. Then, add 1 pound of ground beef and cook until browned. A simple sauce of 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 TBSP sesame oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon ginger powder adds a savory glaze. Serve over rice or noodles for a complete meal. Spice up your life with our flavor-packed hamburger chili. This recipe is a celebration of bold flavors and hearty textures. Brown the hamburger with onions and peppers. Then it's all about layering in those chili essentials: diced tomatoes, kidney beans, black beans, and a generous hand with the chili powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. Let it simmer away, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. Top with your favorite chili toppings: sour cream, cheese, avocado, cilantro, and get ready for a fiesta in your mouth. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 cup chopped onions, 1 cup chopped bell peppers, 1 packet of chili seasoning. Pizza night just got a whole lot tastier with our hamburger pizza. This recipe is all about creating a flavor-packed topping that will have everyone asking for seconds. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef with 1/2 cup of chopped onions and garlic. Add 1 cup of your favorite pizza sauce, a sprinkle of dried oregano, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. Spread that deliciousness over your pizza dough, top with 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and bake until bubbly and golden. Bellissimo! Looking for a lighter option? Our hamburger lettuce wraps are packed with flavor and freshness. They're perfect for a light lunch or a healthy dinner. The key is to create a flavorful filling. We're talking about browning the hamburger with onions, garlic, and ginger, then adding a splash of soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of honey for that umami kick. Spoon that deliciousness into crisp lettuce cups, top with chopped peanuts, cilantro, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. It's a symphony of textures and flavors. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1 head of lettuce, 1/2 cup shredded carrots, 1/2 cup chopped bell peppers, 1/4 cup chopped green onions, 1/4 cup soy sauce. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food mashup: hamburger mac and cheese. This recipe takes 2 classics and combines them into one irresistible dish. Start by making a creamy, cheesy sauce. Then brown the hamburger with onions and garlic, seasoning it generously with salt, pepper, and a touch of smoked paprika. Stir the cooked hamburger mixture into the cheese sauce, then combine it with your cooked macaroni. Top with breadcrumbs and bake until golden and bubbly. Pure, cheesy, meaty bliss. Get ready for crispy, cheesy goodness with our hamburger quesadillas. These are quick, easy, and bursting with flavor. Start by browning the hamburger with onions, peppers, and your favorite taco seasoning. Then, it's time to build our quesadillas. Layer tortillas with cheese, the hamburger mixture, and more cheese. Cook on a hot griddle until golden brown and crispy on both sides. Serve with salsa, guacamole, and sour cream for dipping. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 4 flour tortillas, 1 cup shredded cheese, 1/2 cup chopped onions, 1/2 cup chopped bell peppers, 1/4 cup salsa. Looking for a crowd-pleasing appetizer? Our hamburger stuffed mushrooms are always a hit. They're flavorful, juicy, and disappear in minutes. Start by removing the stems from your mushrooms and chopping them finely. Then, sauté the chopped stems with onions and garlic until softened. Mix the cooked mushroom mixture with 1 pound ground beef, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup chopped parsley, and 1/4 cup cream cheese. Stuff the mushroom caps with this delicious mixture and bake until golden brown and bubbly. Irresistible. So there you have it, 15 incredible high-protein meals that prove hamburger mince is anything but boring. From comforting classics to quick and easy weeknight dinners, there's a recipe here for every taste and occasion. Remember, cooking should be fun and approachable. Don't be afraid to experiment, add your own personal touch, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.